Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix your Steam Captcha is not working or your Steam Captcha appears to be invalid error when you try to solve it. So I'll show you guys best effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the whole video. First, open up your Chrome and click on the three dot option and then click on the settings. So once your settings was open, click on the privacy and security and then click on the delete browsing data. So once you click on that here, you just need to tick the option of cookies and other site data, and you need to just untick these two options which says the browsing history and cache image and files. So after that, when you tick this option, it will clear all of your data of your sites and all of your saved password and select the time range to all time, and then just hit the delete data. And when you delete the data, now your data will be cleared of its sites, and then you can just close it. And now you can go to your Windows search and type the cmd and run as administrator. And when it was open here, you need to just type this simple command, which is the ipconfig, then space forward slash and then flush dns, and then hit the enter. And now you will see this message, the successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And now you can check. And if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then you can try the next solution. So you can open up your Steam and click on this I am not robot and try to solve the captcha with your audio. So you can listen to the audio carefully and then you can type the same words and then you can try to solve the captcha. And this is the second solution. And after these two solutions, if your problem is not fixed, so you can try the other videos and you can also comment down below, and I will try my best to solve the problem and reply you how to fix the problem. So I hope guys this video helped you out, and please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.